Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you all doing good and fine. How to activate dark mode in Google Chrome. Dark mode is all the range nowadays. Browsing in dark mode is both easier on the eyes and lets the content of every website stand at more. However, making Google Chrome go into dark mode is not an easy task as some other applications. Here in this video we will see how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome and also in all the web pages which we surf. Let's get into the video. Now, before performing the dark mode operation, close any open Chrome window. So close on the open Chrome window and right click on the Google Chrome shortcut. Click on the properties tab in the context menu, and in the Google Chrome properties you can see several tabs. Under that you have to select the shortcut tab. Under shortcut you can see the field name is target. So go to the end of the target, add a space and type as force dark mode. Okay, now you have to type this following content and click on OK. Again click on continue. Now once refresh your page and click on the Google Chrome shortcut. Now you can see that the dark mode is enabled, but this dark mode is not yet initialized in the web pages. We can see that. Now I am typing the content as Visay Thalam. Now you can see that the dark mode is not yet initialized in the dark mode is not yet initialized in the web pages. Now how to enable this dark mode in all the web pages which I surf? So there are several options to do that, and we have to add an extension over there to perform that operation. Okay, now let's see that operation. So go to Google search and type as web store. Okay, so type as web store. It will redirect to the page where the Google web store items are present over there. Now under the search the store you have to type as dark mode and give enter. Now the various extensions with the dark mode will appear, and under that you have to select the third one, that is dark theme for Chrome, and click on add to Chrome. Okay, the button in the prompt will appear, and click on the add extension. Once download is complete, it will show the page that the dark mode theme is enabled. Now close that and let's refresh the page. You can see here, you can see the window here that the dark mode state is enabled or not. Okay, now click on this again and refresh the pages. Now dark mode is enabled for all the web pages in the Chrome. To disable this operation, again you have to click on this. The web page will become the original again. Now to remove this extension you have to right click on it and click on the remove from Chrome. It will remove the dark mode enabled operation. Yeah, that's it. In this way we can able to enable the dark mode operation in all the web pages. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time. Stay connected with KIT and Visay Thalam for more interesting videos in related to science and technology. Thank you so much.